Hi, everybody. Happy Friday. I hope you've had a wonderful week, this first week of school. I know you probably want to know the answer to yesterday's riddle. Before I give you that, I want to let you know what we're going to be working on today. So today we're going to be talking about figurative language. This is where something that is said does not mean what was actually said. For example, it's raining cats and dogs. It's not literally raining cats and dogs outside. We don't see cats and dogs fall into the floor. We have what means that it's raining extremely hard. And then we're also going to be talking about prefixes, which are word parts that go at the beginning of a word to make a new word with a new meaning. Okay? The answer to yesterday's riddle, the riddle was, what is a question that you can never answer yes to? The answer is, are you asleep? Can't answer yes if you're asleep. Okay, today's riddle is, what has cities, streets, towns, and shops, but no people? Let me know in the next slide.